GitHub star event triggers a Discord message. First, we will go to cloud.vanus.ai. Sign in, I will use GitHub. Here, we need to authorize Vanus. Use Vanus Cloud to trigger a message to Discord when someone stars your repository. Click Sign In. Install and authorize. Select your GitHub repo. Click Next. Go to your channel under the server settings in Integrations. Click on Webhooks and click on New Webhook. Select that webhook and choose the channel you want to send message to. Copy the payload URL. Let's name it and press Submit. Finally, we can verify the result. Let's start the repository.